Product images to your size chart helps customers understand fit and details, making them more confident in their purchase. With the image carousel in Kiwi Size Chart and Recommender, you can display multiple product images right inside the size chart, creating a more visual and informative shopping experience for your customers. So let me walk you through on how to enable the image carousel on your size chart. First, we need to adjust the settings in the Kiwi app. So to start, open your Kiwi dashboard and go to Styles and Settings. Under General Settings, click on the Modal tab. From here, scroll down to find the Modal Styles section and look for the Modal Style drop-down. Once it's expanded, toggle on the Enable Product Image Carousel option. Once you've enabled it, click Save Settings to apply the update. Now visit your website and open any product with a size chart. From the product page, click the Size Chart or Recommender button, and now you'll see the left and right arrow buttons to navigate through the product images. That's it. Your size charts will now look more engaging and helpful for your customers.